In this do it step-by-step video, I'm going to show you how to change the light bulb on this Happier Camper porch light. And the best thing about this is no special tools are needed to safely remove the cover off this porch light. It is important to note here that the lens has 3 tabs, 2 at the top and 1 at the bottom. The first thing to do is get a piece of tape and tape it along the bottom of the lens of the porch light. Gently apply pressure to the tape and push up, releasing the bottom tab, and then pull out, releasing the 2 top tabs of the lens. Now you have access to the light bulb. I decided to upgrade my bulb from a regular incandescent bulb to an amber LED. And prior to installing the LED, I put some waterproof electric grease onto the base of the bulb to prevent corrosion. Over time, corrosion could develop between the bulb and the socket. Applying this grease will help prevent that. The reason why I'm going with amber is because I understand that moths are very attracted to white light. By going to an amber bulb, this will hopefully reduce the number of bugs that float around at night bothering our camping experience. If you have any questions, please drop a comment and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for tuning in to this video of Do It Step by Step.